Hey guys, what is up? ZooRated back at again with another video. Today I'm printing out my new products that I'm going to be putting on my eBay page. Here they are right here. So as you can see, if you're a YouTuber and you do a whole bunch of vlogging and stuff like that, then this could be enhancing your vlogs and all that stuff. So I have a 3D printed subscribe button. Prints out in the red. It's a nice kind of red. You can see through it if you hold it up to the light, but I mean, it's no big deal with that. It has the white lettering. It's pretty cool. Very lightweight. It can sit up on your desk. Obviously not on a rug. And then we also have the play button. That can also stand up on your desk if you like. Put it in your videos, stuff like that. So what I'm going to be doing is having a couple links down in the description below as to where you can get these two items. So if you guys have any questions, just leave a comment down below. Otherwise, go over, check out the link, and yeah, buy the stuff if you want it. If you have a YouTube channel, if you're going to use it, go right ahead. I will make them for you and ship them out ASAP. So anyway guys, just a quick update. Please like, favorite, and subscribe if you enjoyed. Stay tuned for more, and thanks for watching.